Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to generate voice using Google AI Studio on your mobile phone. This tool allows you to convert text into natural-sounding speech in just a few steps. Let's get started. First, open your mobile browser and go to Google AI Studio. Once the page loads, sign in with your Google account. After logging in, you'll see the dashboard. Here you can create and test different AI prompts. Now, tap on Create New Prompt or open the Text Generation workspace. Next, type the text that you want to convert into voice. For example, you can write a short script or any sentence you want the AI to speak. After entering your text, choose a voice or audio generation option if available. Some models support text-to-speech output, allowing the AI to produce a voice version of your text. Then, tap Run or Generate. The system will process your prompt and generate the audio output. Once the voice is generated, you can play the audio directly on your phone or download it if the option is available. If you want better results, try adjusting the tone, language, or voice style in the prompt. And that's it. That's how you can generate voice using Google AI Studio on mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching.